Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have something a little bit different lined up for you this month. We'll be stepping away from red projectiles and diving into Stylized tornado effect. All subscribers on onemafx.com and Patreon, they voted for this in a monthly poll, so thank you for your active participation. And in this tutorial we'll be working with mask and transparent materials just to make sure everything works optimally and we don't create too much overdraw. This will add a unique layer of complexity to this project, and I'll be posting 3 Houdini tutorials on YouTube. In this tutorial we will create 3D meshes, wind swirls, and a tornado mesh itself. And I think it's going to be a great opportunity to familiarize yourself with the Houdini's technique. And to get unique YouTube tutorials early, you can sign up for a monthly newsletter where I post those videos earlier. You can find the link in the description. And if you find yourself intrigued and wanting to delve a little bit deeper into those tutorials, you can sign up on onemafx.com or Patreon to create those from scratch with me in Unreal Engine. And we will begin with materials, then go into Niagara in Unreal Engine. And for all Unity artists out there, we'll be also creating materials and particle systems in Unity to get the same effect. I truly hope you will find this project as interesting as I do and that you will learn something new along the way. Thank you so much for your support.